I am Rasikannu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Vattanchitram. Today, I discuss about the topic of structure of compiler. What is compilation? Translating a program from one form into another form. There are two types of compilation process. First one, compiler. What is compiler? Compiler is a computer program which takes one language as input and translate into an equivalent another language. The source program is translated into low-level language into high-level language. To give the input to the compiler is called source program, and the output which is come out is called target program. In compilation process, if error encounters, the error message will be displayed on the screen. Next, interpreter. What is interpreter? It executes the source program statement by statement, that is line by line program executed. It directly executes the operation on input by the user. Interpreter does not produce a target program. Difference between compiler and interpreter. In compiler, debugging is slow. In interpreter, debugging is very fast. In compiler, scan the entire program first and translate the machine code. In interpreter, scan line by line programs and convert it into machine language. Compiler show all errors at same time, but interpreter show one error at a time. In compiler, execution time is less. In interpreter, execution time is more. Compiler is used by language such as C, C++. In Java, Python used in interpreter. Next, parts of compilation. There are two parts of compilation. First one, analysis phase and synthesis phase. Analysis phase is the front end of compilers. Analysis phase, an intermediate code is generated from the given source code, and the source program is read and broken down into pieces of programs. It determines the syntax and meaning of source. Next, synthesis phase. Synthesis phase is the intermediate code is optimized. Synthesis phase is the back end of compilers. The intermediate code is optimized and after converted into an equivalent target program from the intermediate representation. Next, phases of compiler. A compiler operates in phases. What is phases? Which transform the source program from one representation into another representation. There are 6 phases used in compiler. First one, lexical and